Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in Exness Mobile. To get started, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main navigation and account options. If you are already logged in, you should arrive at the home screen right away. If not, complete the sign-in process first, then continue once you are inside the app. Taking a moment here to confirm that everything is loading properly can help avoid mistakes later when placing a trade. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. This section is where you can view available trading instruments and access the market area of the app. The bottom navigation bar is designed to help you move quickly between sections, so if you do not see the correct screen immediately, just double-check that you tapped the Trade tab and not another menu option. This area is important because it is the starting point for placing a new order. After that, tap on the sample symbol shown on your screen. A symbol represents the asset you want to trade, such as a currency pair or another instrument available in the platform. Selecting the correct symbol is an important step because it determines the market you are entering. Before moving forward, it is always a good idea to quickly confirm that you have chosen the right asset, especially if several symbols look similar. This can help you stay organized and reduce the chance of opening a trade on the wrong market. Next, tap on either sell or buy, depending on the direction you want to trade, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the trade. In simple terms, buy is typically used when you expect the price to go up, while sell is used when you expect the price to go down. As you continue, review the trade details carefully on the screen before confirming. Pay close attention to the order information displayed in the app so you understand what you are submitting. And that is the basic process for trading in the Exness Mobile app. Open the app, go to the trade section, select your symbol, and then choose sell or buy while following the on-screen instructions. Take your time with each selection, read the details carefully, and make sure everything looks correct before you finalize the order.